This Milwaukee M12 fuel 1/2 inches ratchet is the first cordless tool that provides both the torque and compact size to replace pneumatic ratchets in the industry. With up to 60 feet-pounds of max torque and 175 revolutions per minute, this tool is the ideal fastening solution for automotive mechanics and maintenance and repair professionals who demand maximum performance and convenient portability. A low-profile head and cordless design allow for our users to have more access in tight spaces than competitive units. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. With the industry-leading fuel technology, a reinforced mechanism, and investment cast steel yoke housing, this ratchet can withstand daily job site wear and tear for years of reliable use. Eliminate the constant maintenance of pneumatic ratchets and the nuisance of the air hose in the shop with the M12 fuel ratchet, which delivers maximum portability and productivity for the professional user. 5-year warranty on material and workmanship, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What does this tool come with? Answer: the bare tool and the manual. Question number 2. Will it work with an M12 2.0 red lithium battery? Answer: yes, it will work with any M12 battery. The runtime will just be longer and shorter with the different amp-hour ratings. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.